friction force, coefficient of friction, normal force. Yan yung... Op. Dito lang. Yan. Yan yung mangyayari pag hindi ka nakastop. Lumalagpas ka sa pupuntahan mo. Worse, may masasagi ka, may tutumbukin ka. Which is what you don't want to happen kung kayo ay nagdadrive ng sasakyan. This is my 1995 Mitsubishi Pajero. I recently restored it. Kaka-30 lang nito. Now, how do I make sure that I could stop in a dime when I need it the most? Very, very simple. I make sure that all my braking components are in tip-top condition, and I make sure that I only use the best brake fluid out there. Imagine 4 steel rims ang nakakabit dito, napakabigat po niyan. 4 na all-terrain tires, napakabigat din po niyan. Pinagsama mo, meron akong mabigat na unsprung weight on all 4 corners of my car. Yung kotse mismo, mabigat yan. At yung off-road bumper ko, ito, napakabigat din po niyan. Again, yung question, how do I make sure that I could stop in a dime when I need it the most? Lalo na't pinang-araw-araw ko tong sasakyan na to. Hindi na ako nagpapateka-teka, I only use Prestone for my car. Ang Prestone, yung pinagkakatiwalaan nating brand, I consider this a grassroots brand. Well, I didn't even know na may iba pang kalaban na brand ang Prestone. However, yung pinagkakatiwalaan nating brand, the Prestone, has a new face. What do I mean with that? It's the new packaging, and later on may tuturo pa ako sa inyo to avoid counterfeit. Bago yan, pag-usapan muna natin yung mga benefits kaya gustong-gusto ko yung Prestone para dito sa 1995 Mitsubishi Pajero ko. Unang-una dyan, yung napakalaki, nakasulat, 5 times superior braking action. Big and heavy car needs a really reliable brake fluid. Ina-assure tayo ng produktong to, no? Itong brake fluid na to ay merong high boiling point formula para makaiwas tayo sa overheating. Kasi ang preno natin, tulad nga ng binabanggit ko kanina, yung simula natin, friction, yan yung nage-generate ng ating mga sasakyan pag tayo pumipreno. Kaya humihinto yan dahil may brake pad na kumakagat dun sa ating rotor, or in the case of drum brake, merong brake shoe na kumakapit dun sa ating brake component. Now, that heat could build up, pwedeng mag-accumulate, at sa kaso ng mga cheapo brands out there, pwede silang kumulo. Pag kumulo ang brake fluid nyo, nababawasan po yung potency niyan, nababawasan yung effectivity, and that could mean disaster. Ang Prestone ay meron ding consistent protection against performance decline due to water absorption. Now, let me just insert here, ito, hygroscopic brake fluids. Depende na lang kung cheap yung gamit mo, mas prone ka sa hygroscopic effect. Anong ibig sabihin ng big word na yan? Hygroscopic, scientific word, di ba? Well, that simply means that the fluid in question is capable of absorbing moisture out of the air, out of the environment. Kaya magugulat ka. You may say na hindi ka naman nag-off-road, hindi ka naman nagre-river crossing, nakasarado naman lagi yung hood mo, nakasarado naman lagi yung brake reservoir mo, mababaw lang naman yung nilusong mo nung umulan. Pero bakit ka nakakakita ng traces of water doon sa reservoir mo? Well, that is simply because of the hygroscopic effect. Yung sumuong ka pa lang sa ulan, napaka-moist ng hangin dyan, maliban pa dun sa literal na tubig na bumabagsak, those could accumulate inside your brake fluid, and this stuff prevents that from happening. Meron itong long-lasting fluid life, which of course, sa long-lasting car, 30-year-old, gusto ko yung mga ginagamit kong produkto long-lasting din. Kaya no questions asked. Approve na approve. Ginagaranti din tayo ng Prestone na meron itong corrosion protection on all brake system metals. Yes! Gusto ko yan kasi sa restoration nito, part ng investment ay ang mga braking components, and I don't want any of those metal to simply corrode because I want it to function for a long time. I'm aiming for longevity kasi pinang-araw-araw ko tong sasakyan na to. Ito ang paborito ko dito. Nagamot ko na yung leak ng makina. I don't want any leak now to happen in my braking system. Kaya ginagarantiya tayo ng Prestone na itong produktong to, it prevents leaks on rubber caps. Yung mga O-rings, di ba? Yung mga takip. You're worry-free from leak from any of those dahil aral ng Prestone yan. Mahalagang paalala rin po, para ma-enjoy natin ang lahat ng ating nabanggit na benefits ng Prestone brake fluid, ay hindi po advisable na haluan ito ng ibang brand ng brake fluid. Hindi po natin tiyak ang quality na meron ng ibang mga produkto at maaaring maging sanhi pa yan ng mga problema kapag hindi purong Prestone ang inyong ginamit. Kaya naman I highly recommend na Prestone lang po ang inyong gamitin na brake fluid dahil iba na kapag sure ka sa brake fluid mo. Ngayon lapit kayo ng konti dito sa akin, meron akong ituturo sa inyo. Pinag-uusapan natin kanina yung bagong muka ng pinagkakatiwalaan natin na Prestone. Right? New packaging, new bottle appearance. Well, anybody could copy that. Let's face it, ang daming nagka-counterfeit. Ang daming gumagawa ng mga produkto na ninanakaw lang nila yung itsura ng packaging ni brand A, yung R&D ni brand B, nilalagay nila dun sa produkto nila, and voila! Meron na silang kopya, di ba? But in Prestone's case, meron tayong safety net at ituturo ko sa inyo paano kayo makakaiwas sa mga counterfeit o peke na produkto. Simpleng-simple lang, no? This is your bottle. Yeah? Meron dyang mga label, blah blah blah. Nandito yung how to top up, how to flush and fill, safety warning, blah blah blah. Well, anybody could copy that, but not this one. Pagbukas nyo pa lang, pagtanggal nyo ng takip, meron dyang gasket which prevents you from spilling your product pag hindi mo pa siya gagamitin, and when you're transporting it, natumba dun sa kotse, di ba? Natatambol-tambol na ganyan, you're safe from that. And that gasket also happens to have a holographic seal. Tingnan nyo, di ba? Yung holographic seal na yan, it would say different words, different writing, depende sa anggulo ng inyong pagsilip dun sa holographic feature. And that is how you would know that you're buying the right stuff. Pero kung gusto niyo mas makasigurado, there will be links on the description of this video which would direct you to the official pages of Prestone Philippines and where you could buy genuine products. And there you go, this has been King Senko and this has been Project Tosgas, my 30-year-old project car, Mitsubishi Pajero. You drive safe out there.